Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I have a really handy 6-in-1 screwdriver that you're gonna absolutely love. This is from Vessel, and this is a ball grip 1/4-inch hex bit interchangeable screwdriver, and this set is super handy. It's got 3 double-sided interchangeable bits, so it's basically a 6-in-1 tool. The ball shape of the driver is super comfortable and ergonomic and really makes it easy to turn, especially with the soft rubber. You get a really nice grip on it, and it helps to prevent fatigue even with extended use. It's interchangeable with any 1/4-inch hex bit longer than 2 inches in overall length. The nice thing about this set is it also includes a Pozidrive tip, which is used in some really specific applications like European appliances and furniture, and it's got JIS tips, which we find useful for automotive use. So this is a super handy, comfortable, well-built screwdriver set that gives us plenty of options for all different types of screws around the house. So I think this is a must-have for your toolbox, and that's my point of view.